And so today, I promise to you and to myself and in front of our friends and family to give you the best of myself and to ask of you no more than you can give. I promise to share with you my time and attention and to bring joy, strength, and imagination to our relationship. Nag-connect yung mother ko tsaka yung sister niya kasi yung sister niya inaanak ng mother ko. Tapos yung mother ko as usual, persistent siya na yun, hinahanapan ako ng mapapangasawa.
Nagkakilala kami dahil sa pamangkin ko kasi yung pamangkin ko nakapunta ng Australia. Then, yun, fortunate, mayroon palang kakilala yung mother ng pamangkin ko. Which is si Manu nga yun.
Tapos sabi ng sister niya, uy, meron din kaming single na kapatid.
Yun, napuso ko ng mga kapatid ko na mag-court sa mga babae na rin na nire-recommend nila.
Pumunta sila sa bahay. Nung una ayaw daw niya sumama kasi nga ayaw niya ng mga ganun reto-reto.
On that morning ng May 1, talagang yun, napapayag nila. Nakumbis nila ako na, sige, punta natin, try natin. Yun, luckily, nandun siya. Kasabay niya sa pata.
So following day, nag-message siya sa akin kung parang gusto niya ako ipasyal somewhere. Dinala niya ako somewhere na parang medyo palpak nga kasi wala naman kami makita doon na magandang view. Parang nagkakilala kami, hindi naman kilala pero kapalagay ang loob niya. So parang okay naman din pala si Rico. Hindi naman pala siya mahihayin.
Hindi ganun kawaw yung napunta namin. Actually, parang sablay yung lugar. Pero andun siya nakita yung na-considerate niya yung kanyang effort ko na
Rico and Marilu, through this sacrament of matrimony, you will celebrate the grace of your estate as a Christian couple, eventually as Christian parents, and as a Christian family. As a Christian couple, you mirror the love between Christ and the church. As Christian parents, you welcome your primary mission to transmit the faith to your children. You experience the kingdom of God in your ordinary daily life of self-giving, loving, and forgiving. God is love. You are in God's love, not simply in God's hands. You are in God's love and mercy and faithfulness, in His tenderness and compassion.
God, I'll start on the bright side. Caught a glimpse of the first.
Kahit na di pa tayo ganun katagal, I know in my heart na kakatiwala ko sa iyo ang sarili ko kasi my mother chose you to be my partner in life.
Rico, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in love and service of your wife?
yes, Father. Basta ang tanging goal ko lang sa araw-araw ay pawinan yung pawinan yung pagod at lungkot at mapangiti kita. Love you always, my baby. Come on.
Marilu, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in love and service of your husband?
Yes, Father.
Ay sana'y magkaroon kayo ng laging respeto at paggalang sa isa't isa.
Thank you, Nay, din dahil alam mo na yun. Dahil sa iyo.
different times. And it changes everything.
We can say na ay sa wakas, nakaraos din. Now is the time to smile, my baby. Pipilitin kong maging captain rin ng buhay mo.
I'm very comfortable around you. I can say or do whatever I want without hesitation. Kasi you're very understanding and always ready to listen. Kahit tinatarayan kita, nakasmile ka pa rin.
Thank God for His grace-filled plan of marriage for man and woman, for you, Rico and Marilu, to enter into a covenant with Him, that He may usher you into His kingdom, becoming God's family.
I see the different times. I see the world in different light. It changes everything. It changes everything. It changes everything.